guys, it's Aji. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look using qibest Cosmetics. qibest Cosmetics actually sent me a lot of items to try out and review. So yeah, this is going to be a two-part video. The first part is this one, me trying out a lot of their items, and the second part is going to be me swatching their patron saint velvet lipsticks. So yeah, I think the patron saint video is going to be the first one to get uploaded. So if you're watching this video, go watch that one next. And yeah, if you want to see how I played with qibest Cosmetics makeup and how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. We have a small guest here. Hindi siya welcome, okay? We don't like her in the group, but she's staying, so. qibest did not send me any brow product. Let me go and put on some brows and then we'll test this out. So yan yung kilay ko right now. Hindi na naman sila pantay, but we're dealing with it. Ayusin ko na lang siya ng concealer later, but I'm going to try out this qibest eyebrow cream, and this is in the shade 02 Chocolate. When you open it up, meron siyang maliit na spoolie inside. So, let's test it out on this eyebrow. So, ayan, medyo makakalat siya ilagay. I definitely would recommend putting this on bago nyo linisin, i-clean up yung brows. Madali naman siyang tanggalin. So, I guess it works. Let's do the other brow. So, yan siya. It's okay. It performs okay. However, as someone na wala masyadong kilay, na maninipis yung mga buhok ng kilay, tsaka hindi sila buo, like, it's not full, I don't really see this benefiting me at all. I wouldn't really go out of my way to buy it. I'm happy that I got it in PR. So, yun. I'm going to conceal my brows off cam using this qibest concealer. Can I just say that ang cute ng packaging nila? Na-notice ko na yung theme ng packaging nila, at least for their regular products, is like yung frosted, tas off-white cap, tapos yung parang foil, metallic na branding. I like it. But before that, they also sent me their Repair Lip Cream. Sabi nila maganda daw siyang lip balm. You can also use it as a lip primer. Oh my candy siya. Oh my god. I'm going to leave it on my lips and then proceed to clean up my brows using this qibest concealer. So, ayan. That is the brow concealed and prepped. Next, we are going to move on with the foundation. Sinenda nila ako ng foundation. Dalawang foundation actually yung sinend nila. I think both of these are matte, pero yung isa oil control and yung isa matte. Yung itsura nito yung parang it's hard to get it out of the box, pero ito yung itsura nung nandito sa packaging na to. I haven't tried either of these on my face, pero based on the swatches that I did, napansin ko na mas full coverage to. So, ayan. I got mine in the shade 04 Nude. I think onti lang yung shades ng foundation nila dito sa line na to. Just to show you guys, ito yung itsura niya. The foundation is really thick. As in, makikita niyo, tumatayo siya by itself. And ito yung swatch niya. I think okay lang naman siya sa mukha. I think it will be okay for my face. It looks really yellow on camera. Pero, in real life, it is coming off a little more pinkish, orangish. But we'll have to see it on my face. Oo. It's pulling a little bit more pale or neutral. ayan siya so far. I can already tell na, oo, it does dry matte. It's at least a semi-matte as of now. Hindi ko pa siya nabibigyan ng enough time na matuyo. But yeah. In terms of coverage, I would say it's a very medium. It's a good medium on the coverage scale. I was pretty sure that 04 would match me though. So, I think be careful with picking what color you want. So, ayan na yung face. I'm liking the coverage so far. And as for this side, oo, nag-mattify na siya. The color is not really transferring bad on my finger either. I want to build this up. So yeah, that's how my face is looking like. It's definitely buildable, pero ayun nga, I'm still seeing the pigments on my skin. Wala tayong gagawa dyan, ganyan talaga. So yeah, that's how the skin is looking like. Before we apply concealer, I think I want to apply a contour first. Qibest sent me this shadow contour stick. Although pot naman siya, I don't know why they would call it a stick, but this is how it looks like. I got this in 02 wheat color. I'm going to use this brush to apply the cream contour. I'm using my iMagic blending sponge to blend this out. Yeah, it's okay naman. It's easy to blend. It looks muddy on camera. But that's just maybe my blending skills. It does add a little bit of color to the face. I really like yung ganito. Like, I feel like if you're better at applying cream contours than me, you can probably make this a no makeup item. Ang pangit ng pagkakablend dito, pero please ignore. For now, let's apply the concealer. I really like the concealer. I think ang ganda ng color niya. If they had this shade in a foundation, I would really, really buy it. Kasi ang ganda ng pagka-yellow niya. Ayan o. Ayun nga, dahil matte ang formulation niya, I think you have to work a little quicker if you want to use this as a concealer. Kasi as you can see, ayan o, medyo mahirap siya i-blend pag natuyo na siya. Qibest sent me 2 of their cream blushes. So, ayan sila. On this side, this is the 06 Songbird and this is 03 Telling Glow. You know what? Let's go dark. I'm going for the 06 Songbird. The color is very sheer. It adds color naman to the face though. So, medyo sheer lang siguro yung formulation niya. Yan na yung itsura so far. I like it. I like how the foundation is setting and how the other complexion products are working with it. I'm going to finish up the rest of my contour, especially on my nose, and I'll be right back. So yeah, now that everything's done and contoured, I'm going to set my face using this translucent setting powder. First of all, cute packaging. Ang adorable lang. So there, my complexion part is done. Next, we shall move on to the eyes. Qibest actually sent me 3 of their eyeshadow palettes. I think ito yung parang planet line nila, eyeshadow theme from planets. So I got Venus, I got Jupiter, and I got Mars. I've been playing with Mars for a few days now, so I think this is the one I'm going to use. I'm probably going to speed through it. If you want to see a review on the qibest eyeshadow palettes, leave a comment down below or give this video a like so I know. So, ito yung Mars palette. Super cute yung packaging nila. Parang clear to see-through lang. I already removed yung pang mirror. Pero yeah, this is how the palette looks like. Super cute. Purple, brown, and gold toned. So ayan, I've already done the under eye part as well as the eyeliner on off cam kasi I'm really bad at doing eyeliner on cam. So ayun, ayun siya. This is how it looks like. It's very black, very pigmented. Wala naman ako naging problema in terms of pigment or application, so this is a yes for me. I am now going to do the rest of my face kasi wala silang sinensahan na contour palettes or anything like that. And to avoid this video dragging on so long, I'm going to do the rest of my face off cam and come back. Hi! So, yan. I'm back. I noticed that the foundation was sitting very good on top of my face. Nothing's caking or transferring or anything. Of course, I can still see some of the dark spots, but that can't be helped. Yeah, so anyway, before we move on to the last step, let me remove this repair, the one I put on a while ago. Do I think it works? Yeah, I've had to reapply it once though because my lips started feeling dry, and so I had to reapply it again. But overall, yeah, it's good. It's kind of like a lip balm. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this qibest lip gloss. I think this is one of their like best-selling products. I got mine in 08 Better Off. I think this is a brownish color. I usually go for like brown. It's a little it's a little orange. That's how it's looking like. So that's the color. I don't know how it's looking like on cam because in real life it's very orange with a tinge of red, maybe a little brown, but that's really all I'm getting. Let me fix my hair, touch up a few things on my face, and I'll be back for my thoughts. So this is the final face. Very cute. Because of the lipstick, it kind of pulled a little more orange. The whole look is like gravitating towards the color orange rather than purple. But yeah, overall, I think qibest as a brand is like doing really good. When I told my best friend I was going to do a video about qibest, she was like, what? qibest? She's never heard of the brand. And I personally have never either before until I started like going through Shopee and finding out brands. I'm kind of mad that I slept on the brand because they have really good products. Personally, the foundation I wouldn't repurchase. Some of their stuff are kind of redundant. I've found a lot of my holy grail items in different brands. However, for what I would repurchase and what I would highly recommend to you guys is their cream contour, their concealer, and their eyeshadow palettes. I like most of their complexion products. I've personally never been so impressed with a brand's entire kind of category. Pero yung category kasi nila for the face, like yung foundation dried matte, although it wasn't really high coverage, it gave me enough coverage to the point that I can fix it with concealer. So I liked their oil control foundation. Their blushes were very sheer but buildable. Their eyeshadow palettes are very pigmented. Also, the color scheme of each palette as well as the packaging is very nice. But yeah, there's not really an item that I disliked from the things that they sent me. But yeah, overall, I did like the brand. I did like how it looks on my face. I personally think this look pulled through. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. And if you want to see more content like this, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Comment down below what item you liked from this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!